Hey everyone, welcome back to Editor's Review, where we give you the real truth before you spend your hard-earned money. Today, we're talking about the Graco SlimFit 3-in-1 car seat, a super popular option that promises comfort, safety, and space-saving design. But before you hit that Buy Now button, here are 7 reasons you might not want to buy it. Let's get into it. Reason 1. Bulky for smaller cars. Despite the SlimFit name, this seat isn't as compact as you'd expect. In smaller sedans or hatchbacks, it can feel tight and limit legroom for front passengers. So, if you drive a compact car, this seat might make things a little cramped. Reason 2. Installation can be tricky. Many parents say the installation process is not as smooth as advertised. The latch system can be stiff, and getting that perfect snug fit takes effort, especially for first-time parents. It's secure once it's in place, but getting there can be frustrating. Reason 3. Not ideal for newborns. While it's technically rear-facing from 5 pounds, newborns often don't sit comfortably. The recline angle and head support aren't perfect for smaller babies. If you want a true newborn-friendly seat, you might want to look elsewhere. Reason 4. Limited legroom in rear-facing mode. As your child grows, rear-facing mode starts to feel cramped quickly. If you plan to keep your toddler rear-facing for safety, you may find your child's legs pressed up against the seat back. Reason 5. Fabric stains easily. Parents love that the covers are washable. But here's the catch. The fabric stains and traps crumbs very easily. You'll be washing it more often than you think, especially if your little one loves snacks on the go. Reason 6. Limited recline positions. There are only 4 recline options, and they don't suit every car seat angle. In some vehicles, you might struggle to find a comfortable, safe recline that fits both the car and your child's posture. Reason 7. Price versus features. At around $200 to $250, the SlimFit isn't exactly cheap. For that price, you can find newer models with better side impact protection, easier installation, or extended rear-facing comfort. So while it's durable, it might not be the best value for the money. So there you have it. 7 reasons not to buy the Graco SlimFit 3-in-1 car seat. It's not a bad product, but it's not perfect either. If you've used this car seat, let us know your experience in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss another honest review from Editor's Review.